Hey, were you ever in jail in Cicero? And I don't mean the new jail, I mean the old one.
Mom, will you forget about that? My girl's gonna marry another guy. I might never see her again.
You know what your problem is? You ain't got a philosophy. Life has taught me always to think positive. Well, it's like Dillinger once told me. It's always darkest right before they turn on the lights. There's an old Australian bush song that Melba used to sing. A song that always cheered me when I was blue. Even Melba said this bush song, woo, was a hell of a song to sing. So be quiet whilst I render it for you. When your instinct tells you that disaster is approaching you faster and faster, then be like the bluebird and sing tweet, tweet, tra-la-la-la-la-la, when you know you're headed for the jailer. Don't allow your face to grow paler, but be like the bluebird and sing tweet, 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 tra-la-la-la-la-la. Be like the bluebird who never is blue, 'cause he knows from his upbringing what singing can do. And though by other ladies in his vows he may be told that his efforts are perfectly lousy, he goes on and on till his troubles are through. Tweet, tweet, tra-la-la-la-la-la.